Hey everyone, I received 3 mail today. I originally thought it was only going to be 2, but one of my packages I bought, or the photocards I bought from Singapore, which I paid stamp shipping for, came in, which is this one. But we'll go ahead and open each one. We're going to start with the smallest one first. I think most of these are going to be sehun's photocards, just because majority, I've been having a pretty easy time looking for sehun photocards. This one, of course, is going to be chanyeol's. A thank you note from the seller. Okay. Chanyeol just really loves filters. Like every single thing is filter. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and open this one. I know for a fact that this one is going to be all sehuns. So I'm not sure. I think the other package is also for sehun, so this might be our only chanyeol here. Okay. But it's really packed nicely. Again, as everyone probably know by now, I'm not good friends with bubble wrap, but as long as it protects the photocards, I'm happy. Okay, so we got freebies here, stickers. Is there anything here? Let me check. So we have here sehun's Obsession Cash B photocards, and then we have the Nature Republic. I think it was like a mist photocard and sticker, and we have sehun's Left Tint for Nature Republic. Let me just put these here. All right, let's go ahead and open this one. I'm actually very excited for this one. This one this was tracked, so I was actually keeping an eye on this package. So let's just open it up real quick. Oops, sorry. Probably pretty loud. This is a tough bubble mailer. There we go. Okay, so we have freebies. Okay, message from the seller. And we got lots of freebies, which is really nice. And very surprising, because I don't usually get official photocards as freebies, which is, as I said, very nice. So we have a sehun Nature Republic version 4. We got some freebies here. Fix this real quick. I think these are replicas. Never mind, replicas, because they're kind of blurry and edges are not similar to Korean press or China press, so these are replicas. Let's see here. Got more stickers. I'm not gonna open them. I think these are stickers. Right. So these are also unofficial from what the note says. But we'll go ahead and open them. So more replicas, which I actually do have a lot of replicas already. Just because initially when I was just collecting deals, I just wanted to know what other photocards, whatchamacallit, the other members have. This one though looks pretty legit. I'll have to double check with the ones I have in my collection, because I did complete the Nature Republic version 4 photo cards. So that's that. So let's go ahead and open up the actual cards that I bought. So this one, she gave me more replicas. No, more replicas. More replicas. And more replicas. RPGs. The photo cards that I actually bought are these two. So this one is the focus camera. Alright. This one is the 3D figure photo card for Sehun. And this one's the Melody Fairy photo card for Sehun. So just these two are the original purchases that I have. As we all know already by now, probably the 3D figure is quite expensive. But yeah, that really helps with my collection since it's pretty difficult to find. Alright, so I'll go ahead and put these in my binder. Let me just grab it and I'll be right back. Okay, so we'll go ahead and start with chanyeols, and then we have a couple of stuff for sets right here. Okay, here we go. Chanyeol's not having photo cards. I'm just gonna put chanyeols just here. As I've said in my previous video, I'm not arranging them in order yet. But it's just easier for me to find Sehun's non-album photo cards at this time. But I'm still hoping I can get more of chanyeol's photo cards pretty soon. So let's go ahead and store the other cards. I don't think I have, or I left a space for, I'm sorry, my brain's loading right now. Yep, I didn't leave a space for Sehun's photo cards, and I don't have any more 4 pocket sleeve, or 9 pocket sleeves in this one, so let me just grab it real quick. Okay, so I got another 9 pocket sleeves from my other binder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just move these over here. I posted on Twitter a while back that I probably have tons of duplicates by now because I don't really double check if I already have a photo card or not before I buy it. I'm pretty sure I have a duplicate of Sehun's phone case, or yeah, Tempo phone case photo card, or I forgot the name for it, but yeah, the photo frame or whatever. So I'm just gonna sell those later on once I get them. The deal one of this Nature Republic, I separated it in 2, but for Sehun's I'm just gonna put them together because I believe chanyeol's the one I bought for chanyeol doesn't have this sticker, so I feel bad having the sticker for Dio and Sehun's and then I don't have chanyeol's sticker, but that's how it is, unfortunately. Let's go ahead and store these. Same as chanyeol's, I still don't have a specific arrangement for this. I haven't arranged it by release just because I'm lazy as heck, but I mean I don't want to keep moving photo cards around again. Yeah, so this page is almost complete. We just need one more photo card for this to be complete, and I believe this will be the 6th page for Sehun that we filled out. Yep, and then chanyeol's, as I've said, I still have a lot of cards that haven't arrived for both Sehun and chanyeol's, so we'll probably fill out more of chanyeol's photo cards pretty soon. Alright, and that's pretty much it. Hopefully my big lot comes in next week. I'm still not sure because it's still pending in customs. But that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!